Ronak Gadia completed his BBA in 2023. He wants to make a career in software testing, so he joined STAD Solution and got placed at Kmarix Technolabs Private Limited. Let's hear from him.
My name is Ronak Gadia. I live in Ahmedabad. I had completed BBA in 2023 from Ahmedabad. After college, I have decided to switch my career in IT field. Then my brother suggests me to join a STAD Solution for our manual testing and automation software testing course. I have completed manual testing software testing course from STAD Solution. Then I have worked on many live projects like Telegram live application, eBay website, Orange HRM website, and school lunch food maker game app, etc. And I got so much knowledge about how to create BRD, FRD, test plan, test scenario, test case, bug report, RTM, test report, etc. And I am very thankful to my faculty, Vagyasri ma'am, Richa ma'am, Kashyapi ma'am, Mehul sir, Ajay sir, for giving me this better knowledge. After completion software testing course, I got placed Kmarix Technolabs and Private Limited, and I recommend to STAD Solution who want to make career in software testing field.